Introduction to the course, Mastering the Spanish Subjunctive. Welcome to Unlocking the Spanish Subjunctive. Speak with confidence and style. This course is designed to take you from curious to confident in using the subjunctive mood in everyday Spanish. The subjunctive is one of the most intriguing and essential aspects of Spanish, bringing depth, subtlety, and expression to conversations. Yet, for many learners, it's also one of the most challenging topics. This course exists to make the subjunctive approachable, show you its purpose, and guide you in using it confidently and effectively in Spanish. What to expect from this course? We break down the subjunctive into manageable parts, focusing on its role in expressing doubt, emotions, desires, hypotheticals, and more. Each lesson covers a different facet of the subjunctive, with clear explanations, memorable examples, and practical tips. You'll understand how the subjunctive differs from the indicative, the default mood in Spanish, and why it's so prevalent in Spanish-speaking cultures. Each episode is structured to help you easily grasp new concepts, with each lesson lasting about 15 to 20 minutes. Each lesson includes detailed explanations that clarify subjunctive rules, examples to reinforce each concept and make learning memorable, language comparisons to help you relate the subjunctive to structures you may know from other languages, like English, Greek, or Russian, cultural insights that show why the subjunctive is so essential to natural Spanish conversation, how this course is organized. We'll move step by step through the subjunctive, beginning with its purpose and common uses. Here's a quick overview of each lesson. Introduction to the Spanish Subjunctive. We start with why does the subjunctive exist? You'll learn about its purpose and why it's unique. We'll also look at how it differs from the indicative mood, setting a strong foundation for everything that follows. Forming the present subjunctive. This lesson focuses on building the present subjunctive with clear rules for conjugation. We'll cover regular verbs and common irregular forms. By the end, you'll be comfortable forming the subjunctive in sentences. Expressing doubts and uncertainty. The subjunctive is perfect for expressing doubt, uncertainty, or disbelief. We'll explore phrases like dudo que, I doubt that, and no creo que, I don't believe that, with examples, helping you use these concepts naturally. Emotions and the subjunctive. Learn how the subjunctive expresses emotions, like joy, sadness, or surprise. Toward situations, you'll discover phrases like me alegra que, I'm glad that, and temo que, I fear that, along with insights into how Spanish speakers express emotions. Recommendations and advice. Using the subjunctive. Spanish often uses the subjunctive for recommendations and advice. This lesson covers expressions like te recomiendo que, I recommend that you, and as importante, que. It's important that, making it easy to share advice or suggestions. Hypotheticals with the subjunctive. The subjunctive is essential for discussing what-if scenarios. We'll dive into conditional phrases with sai, if, and explore how to use the imperfect subjunctive to talk about imagined or unreal situations. You'll learn phrases for expressing possibilities. Conjunctions that trigger the subjunctive. Here, we'll cover key conjunctions like para que, so that, and antes de que, before, that require the subjunctive. These are essential for adding flow and purpose to your sentences, and we'll use them in real-life scenarios. Wrapping up and final practice. In our final lesson, we'll recap the main rules, provide additional practice examples, and share tips for mastering the subjunctive in conversation. This wrap-up will reinforce your knowledge, so you'll feel ready to apply the subjunctive with confidence. The goals of this course. By the end of this course, you'll not only understand the rules of the subjunctive, but feel comfortable using it to express your thoughts, emotions, and opinions in Spanish. You'll see how the subjunctive can make your conversations more natural and fluid, and get a sense of how it adds subtlety and style to your Spanish. Each lesson is designed to be as practical as possible, helping you internalize the subjunctive as a powerful tool for everyday communication. Thank you for joining, and let's dive into the Spanish subjunctive